Today, I am reviewing the Vengeance, a7400 series gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Welcome to this in-depth review of the Corsair Vengeance, a7400 series gaming PC, a powerhouse gaming machine designed for serious gamers and content creators alike. Whether you want buttery smooth gameplay, lightning-fast multitasking, or stunning visuals, this PC promises to deliver top-tier performance right out of the box. Let's start with the heart of this rig, the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, liquid-cooled for optimal temperatures even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. This CPU runs at a base speed of 3.8 GHz and features advanced multi-core performance, which means it easily handles both gaming and professional applications like video editing or 3D rendering. The liquid cooling keeps things cool and quiet, allowing you to push the system hard without worrying about overheating or noisy fans distracting your gameplay. Next up, the graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super. This GPU is one of the latest and most powerful cards in NVIDIA's lineup, equipped to handle modern AAA games at ultra settings. It supports ray tracing for incredibly realistic lighting and shadows, as well as DLSS technology, which uses AI to boost frame rates without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, open-world RPGs, or creative applications like 3D modeling, this graphics card delivers sharp, fluid visuals with low latency and minimal lag. Memory is another strong point on the Corsair Vengeance, a7400. It comes loaded with 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, one of the fastest and most reliable types of memory available today. This ensures smooth multitasking, fast loading times, and plenty of headroom to run demanding software, multiple browser tabs, or streaming tools all at once. Plus, the RGB lighting on the RAM sticks adds a sleek aesthetic that you can customize with Corsair's ICUE software, allowing you to create unique lighting effects that sync with your games or music. Storage-wise, the system features a 1TB M.2 SSD, providing fast read and write speeds for quick boot times and game loading. 1TB is a healthy capacity for most gamers, giving you ample space to install your favorite games, apps, and media without constantly worrying about running out of storage. One of the perks of the Vengeance, a7400, is how well all these powerful components are integrated and cooled. The liquid cooling system not only keeps the Ryzen 7 processor at peak efficiency, but also helps maintain stable temperatures across the entire system, extending the lifespan of the hardware and improving overall performance. For gamers who love to customize their rigs, the Vengeance, a7400 features system-wide RGB lighting. Using Corsair's ICUE software, you can personalize your PC with a variety of lighting effects and synchronize them across compatible Corsair components. Whether you want a subtle glow or a full light show reacting to your gameplay, this PC has you covered. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, so you're ready to go with the latest OS optimized for gaming and productivity. The system is well suited for a variety of uses beyond gaming, including streaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and general productivity, thanks to its balanced mix of CPU power, GPU performance, and fast memory. In terms of design, the Vengeance, a7400 has a sleek black chassis that fits well in any gaming setup or professional workspace. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on or under your desk, with good airflow and easy access for upgrades, giving you room to grow with your needs. To summarize, the Corsair Vengeance, a7400 series gaming PC is a top-notch machine that combines a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor, cutting-edge NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super graphics, ultra-fast DDR5 memory, and a fast SSD for a seamless gaming and creative experience. It's built to deliver smooth, high frame rates, stunning visuals, and quiet, cool operation, ideal for gamers and creators who demand the best without hassle. If you're looking for a gaming PC in 2025 that can handle the latest games, support your creative projects, and look great doing it, the Corsair Vengeance, a7400 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming gear insights.